Alright, so our trip to Texas was for the most part uneventful. But before I get to that, I want to show you something kind of cool. This was my dad's I Can Fix Anything toolbox that he took with him on the road. And when he passed away, I decided to hang on to it. Basically, it's got a little bit of everything from gloves, scissors, rags, electrical tools, etc., etc. And we carry this with us every time we go somewhere. Well, this time it came in pretty dang handy. Worst possible moment. We get to Texas, guess what? We lose our air conditioning. Turns out our AC line was rubbing on one of the turbos. Of course, we have twin turbos, everything's a little tight in there. So we lost our AC in over 100-degree weather, and me and Matthew, being from the north, were absolutely on fire and melting. And a little crabby too. So we got the truck picked up, headed out of town, got to a Love's truck stop, my favorite truck stops in the world. You can fix anything in their parking lot. So what do? We took a Monster energy drink can, got a little bit of this magic JB putty, and some hose clamps, and voila! We fixed our AC line in a Love's parking lot, and guess what? It got us home. 16 hours of driving, and the AC line held.